In a rather cold day. Some very stubborn fog patches as well lingering in central and eastern England. And overnight tonight, those fog patches will continue. Some other dense fog patches are likely to develop, and all of it will be freezing. So overnight tonight then, you can see this frosty tinge on the map here. Once again, it's going to be a cold night with temperatures dropping down to -4, -5 degrees Celsius, potentially down to -7 or -8 in more rural spots. Some dense fog patches, as I said, for central and eastern England. Further north and west, we'll hear warmer air coming in, so rather cloudy for Scotland and Northern Ireland, with some rain already starting to come into the Western Isles of Scotland. So rather wet and windy start to the day here, gusts up to 60 or 70 miles an hour possible. But for Northern England, Midlands, East Anglia and the South East, it's going to be a fair start to the morning. Rather cold though, temperatures in Ipswich at -7 degrees Celsius. A few pockets of some rather dense fog, but elsewhere it's a rather frosty, cold, but a dry start to Saturday morning. For the far south and west, here we may just see some sunshine, less in the way of any frost. Temperatures in Plymouth at 1 degree Celsius. And for Wales, again, rather cloudy across Wales, maybe some brightness to the far north. Now for Northern Ireland, by 9 o'clock in the morning, we'll already start to see some rain coming into the western half here, rather cloudy elsewhere with strengthening southwesterly winds. So for the rest of Saturday then, this band of rain will slowly sink its way southwards, reaching to all of Scotland and Northern Ireland, bringing some milder air here. Elsewhere though, for England and Wales, as soon as that mist and fog starts to clear away, some sunny spells, still staying cold though with 2 to 4 degrees Celsius, further north and west more like at 5 to 7. And what's the reason for this change? Well, I think you've seen already this low pressure system moving out into Iceland. With it bringing some weather systems, some rain, tighter isobars, these white lines close together, so some strengthening winds as well. So what does all that mean? Well, that's the Atlantic air coming in from the Atlantic is much warmer, milder, pushing away this colder air. So by the end of Sunday, most of us will be set up in this warmer regime. So for Sunday itself then, let's look at the details. This band of rain continues to sink its way slowly southwards with that strengthening southwesterly winds clouding over eventually to the far south and east, but temperatures between around about 6 to 12 degrees Celsius, so noticeably milder